Hi, my name is Nick Brada. We are AAA Machine Products, and we are your CNC Swiss machine experts. We have machinery that can compete with anyone. We're small, lean, and smart. We're capable of providing a service to our customers unlike anyone else. And we make complex, precision CNC parts. Our customers will send us a print. They may not necessarily know what type of machine it needs to run on. That's why we are here. We are here to select the proper machine the part is capable of running on in an efficient, cost-effective manner. We want to make good parts. We want to make good parts for our customer. We want our customers to be happy. That's the type of pride we take in our work.
Complex Swiss CNC machinery capable of very close tolerances and fine finishes, creating parts up to 1 1/4 inch diameter and up to 30 inches in length. With Swiss CNC, the material is cut very close to where the bar is supported by the guide bushing. Often a single heavy cut can remove all the necessary material.
Off our Swiss machines, we can hold plus or minus 2/10 tolerance. If you need a grind diameter that has very precision tolerances, we could hold 1/10,000th of an inch.
Our 8-axis Swiss machines have flexibility and efficiency, offering turning, drilling, milling, slotting, knurling, threading, end face grooving, and more, all while dropping finished parts quickly.
And CNC Swiss machines are capable of doing long, slender work pieces. This one in particular is 12 times the diameter in length. It's unmatched quality, and fine finishes are achieved.
We know that you absolutely need high quality and on-time delivery.
These machines have twin spindles, twin turrets, live tooling, C-axis, high pressure coolant, automatic bar loaders. This allows us to complete parts in one operation. The less I handle it, the less expensive it becomes. I let the machine do the work. Let's say you got a big part that's not meant for a Swiss machine. This is one of our CNC fixed headstock machines. This machine has 2-inch bar through capacity and up to 6-inch diameter chucking capacity. It can also do complex parts. This aerospace part has 12 operations done right off of this machine. It's equipped with live tooling, twin spindle, twin turrets. It's also equipped with an automatic bar loader, and it comes with an experienced operator. Production runs vary from 1,000 pieces up to 1 million pieces. In expectations of a production run, we will work with customers to do prototypes. When we're cutting difficult materials such as stainless steel, super high alloys, we utilize the tool life counter on our CNC machines. The machine will tell you when the tool needs to be changed, which is very important because you want to change the tool before it fails, not after it fails. And this improves our quality. It also saves the customer material cost. Better quality work pieces, more consistent work pieces. We have value-added services for our customers by providing plating, heat treating, grinding operations to complement our machining services. In the Chicagoland area, we have several different qualified vendors that will work with us to provide a complete part to our customers. I have been machining since high school in my father's shop, so it's been probably over 40 years. That's a lot of knowledge.
In Chicago, or for that matter, anywhere in the country where you need the experience and passion for great machine parts, talk to Nick.
We want to be your source for precision machine parts.